In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow or block camera access in Google Chrome. Whether you're setting up your browser for privacy reasons or simply managing your device's settings, these simple steps will help you control who can access your camera. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Google Chrome on your computer. Once you're there, head over to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see 3 vertical dots, which look like this. Clicking on these dots will open up a menu. From this drop-down menu, go ahead and select Settings. This is where you'll find all the options related to your browser's configuration. As the Settings tab opens, look over to the left-hand side. Here, you'll find a menu with several options. You'll need to click on Privacy and Security, which serves as the hub for everything related to Chrome's safety features and permissions. After clicking Privacy and Security, a new set of options will appear on your screen. Among these options, there's one called Site Settings. This is an important section as it allows you to control how different websites interact with your browser and device. Click on Site Settings to proceed. Once you're in the Site Settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Camera. It's usually accompanied by an icon that resembles a small camera, making it easier to locate. Click on Camera to open its settings. At this point, you're presented with a critical choice. You can allow or block camera access. If you toggle the option, sites can ask to use your camera to the on position. Chrome will prompt you with a request every time a site wishes to use your camera. This means that while sites can ask, you still have the right to say no, giving you greater control over who gets to see you. Alternatively, flipping this toggle to off will block all sites from even asking for permission, closing off any potential access to your camera. Finally, if you need to manage camera permissions for specific websites, simply scroll a little further down. You'll see 2 sections, Allowed to use your camera and Not allowed to use your camera. This is where you can see all the sites that have set permissions. If you come across a site you'd like to change permissions for, whether to revoke access or grant it, you can do so by clicking the trash icon or editing its permissions as needed. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to managing camera access in Google Chrome. Now you can decide exactly which sites can see you and which can't, enhancing both your online privacy and security. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.